What's up, guys? This is Skywarp doing another video. I got an unboxing. It's not a knife this time. It's something to do with my velcro patches. I have a collection of velcro patches that they're just being scattered everywhere, and I want to put them in I want to put them on something that I can, put them on, and that white blank wall right pretty much right there that's where it's going. So let me I'll use my new nice my hinder to unbox this bad boy, just to get it unboxed. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. So it's a large. Ooh, did I cut it? Uh-oh. So it's a large. It's very large. I'm not joking with you guys. It's very, very, very large. It looks huge. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. Wow. Like, this is what it is. This is what it is, guys. Big old Velcro holder that I could put my patches on. So, let me, do a part 2 of this. So, I'll see you guys in part 2.